Hello everyone. So in this video I'll show you how you can encrypt your file and folder in Windows 10. So let me open the folder where I want to encrypt. Okay, whatever I want to encrypt. So this is my folder. I want to encrypt this folder, and also I have the file. It's called my file. Okay, and if I open this file, you can see this is my file. Okay, and let's encrypt the folder. Okay, first of all, I can also encrypt the direct file, but I'll encrypt the folder. Okay, so right click on folder and you can go to properties. Click on properties. Okay, then you click on properties. You can see there are many things. Go to the advanced option. Okay, and also you can check the security details. Okay, so I'm going to advanced option. When I go to advanced option, you can see the last option, encrypt content to secure data. Okay, so you can also compress the folder from this option. Okay, so I'll just click the encrypt data, encrypt content to secure data. Okay, and if you want to share the folder, you can share from here. Okay, I just want to encrypt data. Okay, so I click OK and apply, and this is ask me apply change to this folder only, or apply change to this folder or subfolder and files. So I'll select the folder and subfolders and file. It means that if I encrypt the folder and subfolder and files, it will encrypt all data inside the folder. Okay, if I select only the folder, it will encrypt only the folder. Okay, so just click OK and okay, now you can see the lock is appear here, and my files are encrypted. Okay, you can see the files are encrypted. Okay, so that's it for today, and if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.